Hey everyone, I am Joanna Peterson and I'm a consultant here. I am going to go over some of the awesome benefits of the stack cooker today. If you're here, go ahead and say that you're here down in the comments. And as we go through, tell me about your favorite part of this. So the stack cooker has several different parts. It's got the bottom portion here and then a middle portion. It also has a strainer and a cone, and I'll get a little more into those in just a few minutes. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be cooking a full meal all at once in the microwave in 15 minutes, if you can believe that. I'm going to start with my potatoes here, and those are actually going to go in the top portion, which what looks like the lid, it's going to go inverted. And so I've got everything prepped already. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw my potatoes and onions that I have pre-sliced in there. Just give them, slide them around a little bit, make sure they're all even in there. And then I've got some herbs that I've got here. And this is just an Italian herb seasoning that I'm just going to put on there. In here I have butter and water mixture that I'm just going to go ahead and slide right on top. And then that's all I need to do for that portion. The next thing that I'm going to do is I've got 4 pieces of chicken already put in here, and I've sliced them in half because I'm going to stuff them with a spinach dip here that I've got. That's my broccoli. So here I've got spinach, cream cheese, mayonnaise, and Parmesan cheese, and that's it. And all I'm going to do is, if you can see this, is I'm just going to go ahead and grab a bunch out, stuff it inside the chicken. I'm going to do that to all 4 pieces. And then I've got some seasoning here that I'm going to put on both sides. I probably should have done that before I stuffed them, but either way works. And just slide it on there. And I'm going to do it to both sides of the chicken, just so we've got an even coating on it. Now this is something that I really like, and we have actually 2 of them because one is always in the dishwasher because we use them all the time. So I've got all my stuffing and my chicken, and it's all seasoned and beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like there. Okay, third is going to be and we're just going to stack that right on top and set it to the side without thinking about it. Third is going to be our broccoli. Now broccoli, I've already got it pre-cut, but you're just gonna put all of those florets in there, and this is gonna be fresh broccoli that you're using. Okay, and it's gonna go on the bottom, and even though it looks like there's a whole bunch of space, because this one's gonna go in on top of it, it's actually not quite as much as what you would think. So I've got some garlic here that I'm gonna throw in on top, and some more butter, because how can you have broccoli without butter? Okay. And then I also have a water and lemon juice mixture that I have here. And all I did was squeeze the lemon inside of it and then do the rind a little bit. What's that called? Zested. I zested it a little bit, and so water, lemon juice, and some lemon zest all in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put that on top, all set together, and I'm going to throw it in the microwave for 15 minutes. That's it. That's all you have to do. And now why you're really here is because you want to see how it looks at the end, right? So when you're done, this is what it's going to look like. There's your potatoes. As you can see, everything is still steaming. I don't know if you can see that, but it is. There's your chicken. And there's your broccoli. It's beautiful. We're going to plate it up a little bit. And then I'm going to show you something really cool. With this stack cooker, you can actually make cakes in like 10 minutes, if you can believe that. So we've got our broccoli, our beautiful chicken, and I'll cut that just so you can see how awesome that looks and how juicy it is, because it really is. It doesn't dry out anything. It cooks it all the way through. So if you can see this, you can see it just kind of falls apart, but it's cooked all the way through. 15 minutes. Everything cooked all at the exact same time. Okay. And for dessert, we're gonna have cake. Now this cake I've already pre-made, but I did make it in the stack cooker, and I used the cone. The one thing about the cone in cakes is you wanna make sure that you use that cone so that it cooks evenly all the way through. And you can see again, it's cooked all the way through. It's not dried out, and it is delicious. So we've got all of our courses and we're ready to eat. Thanks for joining me.